Hey Mike, how's it going?
Hi John, I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. So, have you noticed how the weather has been lately?
Yeah, it's been quite unpredictable. One day it's hot, and the next day it's chilly.
True, it's hard to plan anything with such fluctuating weather.
Definitely. I remember last year. We had a really cold winter. I hope it won't be as harsh this time.
I hope so too, but sometimes, it's nice to have a white Christmas, right?
You're right. It does add to the festive atmosphere. And speaking of Christmas, I wonder if it'll snow this year.
I hope it does. The kids would love to build snowmen and have snowball fights.
Absolutely. It's such a joy to watch them play in the snow. But snow can be a hassle too, especially when it starts to melt.
Yeah, it can create slush and make the roads slippery. We need to be careful while driving.
That's true. Anyway, how about summer? Are you looking forward to it?
I am, to some extent. I enjoy the longer days and the chance to go to the beach.
Me too. There's nothing like spending a day by the sea, feeling the warm sand beneath your feet.
And the sound of waves crashing is so relaxing. But the heat can sometimes be unbearable.
Yeah, that's the downside. We need to stay hydrated and find ways to beat the heat.
Speaking of heat, do you remember that scorching heat wave we had a couple of years back?
Oh, yes, it was record-breaking, and it made it difficult to go outside during the daytime.
I know, we had to rely on air conditioning to survive.
It's a reminder of how our climate is changing. We should be more conscious of our actions to protect the environment.
You're absolutely right. Small changes in our daily lives can make a difference.
Indeed. And hey, did you hear about that tornado that hit the neighboring town last week?
Oh, that's terrible. I hope everyone's okay and there wasn't much damage.
I hope so too. Natural disasters can be so unpredictable and devastating.
It's a reminder of the power of nature and how we need to be prepared for emergencies.
Absolutely. Well, let's hope for more stable weather in the coming months.